Oh man.
Okay, it's gonna be good. It's all done. And I'm already. Look at that. I'm the tester for this. Hey. Yeah. Our chef on the patio.
Soft light.
What are you making, man?
Right now I'm making some steak. I'm making some steak tacos right now. This is just right here for the side.
Okay, that's the side. You see that? That's steak. That's well done with all onion and all spice in it.
All spicy.
Man, how long have you been doing this?
I've been cooking my whole life, man.
Man,
Yes, sir.
we're gonna have a blast out here right now because the food is good. He just used simple seasoning. Look at the seasoning he used. Simple seasoning.
This one's meat tenderizer.
Meat tenderizer. You see
This
that?
is the 10. And this one's garlic herbs, y'all.
Look at
Something
that.
simple.
Very simple. And we have our grill here, you know, and we hanging out today. Today is his day to cook. So guess what? We having fun. We making some beef tacos, you know, and making sides. Look at him on the onion. That guy know how to cut that onion. Watch it. Look at that. He know how to cut that onion. Don't try that at home, man. That will kill you. This knife will slice you up. This knife is very short. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's the Paris Hilton knife.
Yes,
You know, we gotta use the Paris Hilton.
exactly. So we hanging out. My friend, he don't drink. I don't know why he don't. Why you don't drink, man?
I drink sometimes, not all the time.
It's coming. It's getting to the spring, so you know we're gonna hang out a lot. So my grill is gonna be cracking on the outside.
Yeah. Oh, you cooking tonight too?
No, I'm gonna be baking tonight. I'm gonna bake a Jamaican potato pudding. It's a pie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's gonna take a long time to do. So as soon as I'm done hanging out with you, then you know. You see over there he has this thing over there. What's your channel? What's a TikTok?
Yeah,
Oh,
TikTok.
Okay.
That's my
Big up,
TikTok
big up,
there.
big up, big up, big up.
Y'all already know, man.
Check out my TikTok channel, Shaggy Isis. Check it out.
Y'all heard it, man. Check out Shaggy Isis. Y'all already know. Oh, my dad's on there. He's a Rasta, man.
Yes, man.
What's going on, Papa Pandy? Got this thing going.
Man, I like that thing where you have there, man. I like it. I like that. I like that fan.
We've been sitting out here, man, and I'm not gonna cap. There's no work right now, so
Of course.
I'm gonna take this out.
Yes.
We'll make you some dollars.
Of course. That's the chill spot right there.
Yep, this is gonna be my money maker for the next. I don't know, man. I just might just get into the business for doing and cooking. My whole teenage years I cooked, worked at restaurants.
So you're a great chef.
Oh yeah, I can cook.
So I want you to check out his channel. What's the name of the channel?
It's Rick Mora _5 on TikTok, man. Go ahead, check me out. I'm always on here. I'm always cooking. Check out my content too, man. Much love, man.
All right. I'm gonna put his contact in the comments below. So when you check it out, I'm gonna tag him so you can find him, you know, and check out his TikTok page. This guy know how to cook some steak here, man. Look at that.
Yeah, my wife bought me this for Father's Day, and it's just been sitting here.
Wow.
I haven't used it. I seasoned it. I'm like, well, you know what? I'm gonna season it today. We're gonna get it cracking.
Of course.
That's why we had to season it. You know, had to get a little advice on how to season it. So I just went ahead and did it. You know, the best type of season is when when it's colored like that. That's it goes, the best way to cook it.
Yes. That's the same way I have to do when I got a new grill. I have to just like burn it first. Especially when it is a smoker. I have to put some meat in it and let it smoke and let it burn.
Yeah, that's
Burn.
those smokers are good though.
Yes.
And those smokers come in handy, man.
Yeah. Yes, my people. Now the steak is looking more juicier. And he's about to start to put his turkey in and the grill. Look at that. Look at that. Mexican style. Today we're doing some Mexican tortillas. No Jamaican cooking today. We're gonna mix this up. Check this out. So what the name for this meal what you're making?
What's the name for this meat?
The meal.
The meal? Oh, this is Rick's Tacos right here.
Rick's Tacos.
Rick's Tacos, man.
Yeah.
I'm about to make me my sign with my cricket.
Yeah.
I'm about to put it out there, man.
And then he gonna chop it. You have your veggie your ingredients cut up already to put the turkey.
Oh yeah, that's all good and ready.
Okay. So you already have all the ingredients cut up already, you know. So later on you're gonna see how beautiful and taste.
Let me get nothing.
Be tasting this right now. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this mouth-watering taco. Look at it. Look at it. We are outside, my people. We're outside.
Does cooking as well.
Okay.
He does catering. He does parties and all that. That's all I'm trying to get into.
Yeah. So my people, now I'm gonna taste in this taco. Look at it. Man, this taco is really good. It is really good. This steak, it's well done. It's not salty. Have the right amount of seasoning. And trust me, this taco is one of the best taco I ever had. Well done.
Coming out to the streets pretty soon, man.
You hear?
Coming out to the streets pretty soon, yo.
That's my boy right here.
My kiddos.
So I'm having my drink, you know. We do what we do and we love what we do. That's how we do it. We're outside. We are outside today. Watch. He's cutting the steak again. Look. This guy knows how to cut some steak, man. Look at that. This guy can cut a whole cow in no time.
Yeah, my dad does shrimp cocktails. He does it all, man. We in the big boy business.
Yeah.
Man, I think that's where I get it from too, is the cooking that he cooks a lot, you know. I remember growing up, going to parties, he'll take over the grill.
So look out for the taco. The taco truck is coming out soon, or you can order. You can place the order, text in the comment section if you need a catering for any tacos or anything. Yeah, we does it all. Yeah. Season it right now.
Season up that steak.
Season up the steak.
A little bit more oil in there just so it could be that moist. Right there. Can't forget that.
Look at that. You're gonna chop some onion and put it on top of it now.
The onion.
Man, when that thing cook, when that steak cook with the onion, but you're nice like that. Look at that. Yeah. I'm leaving it to cook for a couple of minutes. I will be right back.
Yeah, I did a lot from growing up. Like I said, my dad would always go to parties and take over the grill, man. People will start it, and by the end of the night, man, we finishing up by the time he's done, because he's making all the food.
So that's where you get all your skills from.
I think that's where I get it from a lot, from him. I take that up from him.
Look at that. Look at that, man.
Got your napkin? Try this one out. I don't have plates on now.
That's fine. That's fine. We're just kicking it right now, trying out the grill. So we're just trying out the grill. This wasn't planned, you know. This was a quick thing, you know. So the next time, this is gonna be great. Look at it. Look at it. The next time we're gonna have all our things chopped up, put together, and you know. But check this out. Look. Look at that. I'm the tester for this. Look at it. I'm the tester. Cut the steak. I haven't had steak for a long time, but I'm eating steak today. It's well done. It's amazing. It's amazing how this grill can tenderize the steak this fast. You know, it's amazing. So I'm having the evening steak.
Alex, yeah, give me a
Check
plate
it out.
on the
It's
side.
coming.
Outside.
So that's gonna be it for now. Look at it. Let me see. Put that plate over here. That's gonna be it. It's all done. And I'm all ready to taste it. So guess what? The rest of it is gonna be epic. Stay through, my boy. No respect.